If Walmart Grocery isn't notifying you about substitutions, the problem is usually caused by notification settings, an outdated app, or the order not being configured to allow real-time substitution updates. By the end of this video, you'll know how to restore substitution notifications, and make sure you don't miss changes to your grocery order. First, check whether push notifications are enabled. Open your phone settings, find the Walmart app, and confirm that notifications are turned on. Then open the Walmart app. Go to Account Settings, and review your notification preferences to make sure order updates are enabled. Next, verify that substitutions are allowed for your order. Open the order details and review each item. Walmart lets you accept substitutions, choose specific replacements for some products, or mark an item as don't substitute. If substitutions are disabled, you won't receive alerts asking you to approve replacement items. Now update the Walmart app. An outdated version can miss order updates or fail to display notifications correctly. Install the latest version from the App Store or Google Play Store, then sign out of your Walmart account and sign back in. If notifications are enabled but you're still not receiving them, check your phone's battery optimization settings. Some Android devices restrict background activity for shopping apps, which can delay or block notifications. Allow the Walmart app to run in the background so it can receive updates while your order is being prepared. You should also verify that you're logged into the correct Walmart account. If you accidentally placed the order using another email address or signed in with a different account, notifications will be sent to that account instead. Another common issue is relying only on push notifications. Open the Walmart app periodically and check the order status manually, especially while your shopper is actively picking items. You can also monitor email or text messages if those communication options are enabled in your account. If you recently changed your phone, reinstalled the app, or restored your device from a backup, remove the app, reinstall it, and log in again. That refreshes the device registration used for push notifications. If none of these steps work, contact Walmart customer care before your next grocery order. Let them know that order notifications work, but substitution alerts do not. They can check whether there's an issue with your account's notification settings or delivery preferences. The fastest fixes are to enable Walmart notifications, confirm substitutions are allowed on the order, update the app, and make sure your phone isn't blocking background notifications. If the problem continues after that, Walmart support can investigate your account. If this guide helped, like the video, and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting tutorials.